What's good, family? It's Ascended Dreamz bursting onto the scene with guidance to infinite love and access to positive energy. What's going down with all my beautiful and loving travelers, man? We just out here in nature, connecting to you all higher vibrationally, just doing what we do best, right? So listen, y'all, this is going to be a message for all my chosen ones, man. If you clicked on this video, this is a message for you. This is a confirmation that you came to the right place, okay? So before I hop off into the video, man, I just want to say thank you to all my beautiful and loving subscribers, man. Every single one of you guys who are new to the channel, every single one of you guys who have stayed committed to the channel, leaving your positive feedback, your comments and suggestions and things of that nature, man. Just want to give a mega shout out to you guys, because without you guys, man, this platform isn't possible. So with that being said, let's get off into the title of the video, guys. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about fake friends, all right? Agents who are plotting on you to fail, guys. So listen, if you tune into this video, man, stick around to the end, because we're going to be going deep today, all right, travelers? We're really going to be going deep, all right? We going to be going deep. So check it out, y'all. Over the last couple weeks and over the last couple months, I've been faced with so much adversity interpersonally, man. I've been going through an internal transformation and really just diving deep into my faith, guys. Really diving deep into my faith and just putting my trust in the universe, putting my trust in God, and putting my trust in Jesus Christ, man. So if all you guys got some personal bias against religious interpretations, man, this isn't the video for you. Just go ahead and click off, man. Because listen, everybody's entitled to their own opinion. And I'm embodying my truth, guys. With every single one of these videos, I am embodying my truth, all right? And I wouldn't be keeping it real if I kept this to myself, all right? So listen, guys. Lately, I have been combated with so much hate, man. I've had fake friends coming in, throwing insults at me, speaking down on me, and sabotaging my name behind my back, travelers, all right? And I know if you clicked on this video that you're going through something very similar. But I'm here to remind you guys, thieves don't break into empty houses, what? Listen, thieves do not break into empty houses. So I'm here to remind you guys that you have something very special inside of you. You have a very unique gift to bring forth into this reality, as I always say. And you can do this in a very powerful way, but you have to beat to the march. You have to march to the beat of your own drum, travelers. What? One time for the haters and the... So listen, you got to march to the beat of your own drum, okay? And I know it's easier said than done, guys. I know it's easier said than done. But these people who are wishing bad on you are agents, guys. These are energy vampires, okay? These are people who want to see you fail because they got nothing good going for them, guys. And you are the chosen one. You are a star seed. You have everything going for you. You got family, man. You got the career. You got the car. You got the clothes. And you're beautiful inside and out, okay? So listen to me when I say that there's going to be people who are throwing bad energies, bad vibes, bad juju your way when you get on your path, okay? Because I'm on my path right now and I'm getting combated with bad energy every single day, man. Listen, I have friends who, you know, come to me with the problems, right? Talking about what's going on with this person and talking about what this person did to them, and never acknowledge the work that I'm doing, guys, okay? They never even acknowledge my YouTube channel. But they watch every single one of my videos. What? It's crazy, right? Like, these people have the audacity to come into your life, speak down on you, talk bad behind your back, literally mock you, scoff in your face, all of these things, but can't even acknowledge your greatness. It's because you're a threat. Need I say it again? It's because you are a threat, okay? Not a threat to them even. You're a threat to the world. You're a threat to the powers that be. You're a threat to the elites that have a plan to keep us humans controlled. All right? You are the light. You are the chosen one. Okay? So listen, man, it's getting crazy out here. All right? And it's really time that you keep to yourself, guys. It's really time that you keep to yourself. Listen, I'm out here every single day bettering my health, okay? Putting myself in position to gain generational wealth. Because that's what's happening, guys. When you're walking in your faith, when you're walking in your truth, and when you're sticking up for what you believe in, nothing else can stop you, okay? Nothing else can stop you. And people don't like that, man. People really don't like that, because you're not doing what everybody else is doing. You're not standing in. You're not fitting in. You're standing out, right? And people don't like that, because you're taking off on a ship. And there ain't room for everybody else. So listen, guys, I know there's one of you guys who clicked on this video who really need to hear this message, man. And here's just what I want to leave you with. If you don't take anything from this video, I want you to take this now, okay? You never regret the mistakes you make. You only regret the chances you didn't take. What? One more time for the haters in the... Okay? Listen, you do not regret the mistakes you make. You only regret the chances that you didn't take. So today, man, if there's somebody who's speaking down on your life, man, if there's somebody who just doesn't want to see you succeed, cut them out, okay, with no hesitation, man. If even somebody who's religious and you're religious is speaking down on you, saying don't do this, don't do that, because they feel they have a closer connection to God than you, they're wrong. Nobody has a closer connection to God than you, okay? There's nobody who is better than you. There's nobody who can do anything that you can't do. You are a co-creator. You are a powerful healer. You are the embodiment of everything that is beautiful about this life. Don't think twice about it, guys. Don't think twice about it, because that's the enemy trying to get in your head. That's the enemy trying to get into your mind, okay? But we are beings of the divine. We can never be led astray, okay? So listen, man, I know it's tough. I know it's tough to cut these people out. Sometimes it's your family members. Sometimes it's your best friend. Like, listen, some of these people, I put food in their mouths, travelers. I put food in their mouths, giving them a place to live, giving them a place to stay. And they don't even leave a comment on my videos. They don't even just say, hey, man, I see what you're doing. Even in the face of adversity, even in the face of potential death, these people will not give you the acknowledgement that you deserve, all right? So listen, I'm giving you the acknowledgement you need today. This is your confirmation, okay? Get out of your own way and speak kindly to yourself, okay? Give yourself the confidence, the trust, and the love that you need to get out here and chase your dreams, because you can be anything you want to be. You can truly be anything you want to be, okay? So listen, man, this message was not designed to be very long, guys. This wasn't designed to be very long. Detective Ascended on the scene, all right? And listen, we got a case of the haterisms, all right? We got a case of haterism, all right? But it's time for you to shine your light unapologetically, regardless of what people have to say, even in the face of adversity, man. Because listen, I'm out here in nature every single day, bro. People call me crazy, man. People literally talk down to me, call me a conspiracy theorist directly to my face. But I just look at them and I smile and I wave. Because I know that there's nobody who can take my place. It's Ascended Dreamz bursting onto the scene, guys. There's not another me, okay? So anyways, guys, if you stuck around to the end of the video, as promised, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of tidbit. I'll give you guys a tidbit of information, all right? You, yes, you, not him, not her, are about to be blessed with the best that the world has to offer. But you have to believe in yourself, all right? And you have to cut out all the distractions. Whether it's a toxic person, whether it's a toxic thought, whether it's a toxic relationship, doesn't matter. It's got to go, okay? Because the universe has to make way for the blessings that are coming to you. But the only way that can be done, guys, the only way that can be done is if you trust the universe, you trust God, and you trust yourself, all right? And listen, this is my story, man. I'm not here to change anybody. I'm not here to tell people what to do or who what to be. None of it. I'm just here to tell you, man, that there's people around you who don't want to see you succeed, okay? There's people around you who don't want to see you go to the next level. But again, you're taking off on a ship and not everybody's coming with you, travelers. So please, if you don't take anything from this message, man, realize that you are powerful and that you have the ability to change the world, regardless of what anybody says about you, okay? Regardless of what anybody is saying about you. So with that being said, man, ask yourself, are these close friends of mine, or are these dream killers in disguise? Most times you'll find, man, that these are dream killers in disguise. So with that being said, man, I just want to say thank you again to everybody who stuck around to the end of this video. If you want to see more content like this in the future, man, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, any number of those things, man. For all of your guys' support means more in the world to me. With that being said, guys, you already know what it is. Stay safe, stay strong. The word is love. Peace.